Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for even subscribing to my channel in the first place. Thank you so much for leaving the likes in the previous videos. If you don't know me already, my name is Sergio. I do Sixtos Elite. That is my channel. If you followed me on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, wherever you may have found me, thank you so much for the support because I do these videos for you. I was a school teacher. Didn't want to do it for the rest of my life. I always wanted to be financially free, working on my own, working from home so I can do anything I ever want, anything I want on my own time, especially be with my kids. That was my main goal. And I was able to do it in 10 months' time. Now I'm helping others do the same thing. I've helped people actually get those results. I'm helping others on their journey. So um stay if you haven't already, again, subscribe. But today we're gonna be going over one of the more controversial things that I've seen. Uh, I tell people all the time, you can definitely start this online business, this side hustle, with 1 to 2 hours per day. There are some people who say that that is a lie. I say that it is the truth, just because I did it. I was able to do it, guys. Again, I was a school teacher. Sunrise, sunset. On top of being a school teacher, your mind is always on your students. It's like you have extra children. You're always thinking about them, especially if you're not in it for just a paycheck. If you're really in it to help the kids, you're always gonna be thinking about them. I would go to sleep. I'd be in my dreams dreaming about the kids, like worrying, are they having enough to eat? Are their households running functionally? Do they have a father? Do they have a mother? Most of them don't. Most of them only have a single parent household. So those are the things that would always worry me. So instead of just going to work and doing my job, I'd come home and my mind would always be on it. Even if I would tell myself it was shut off, in the back of my mind, I was still worrying about how to bring a kid to the next level and things like that. So um, I had a lot on my plate going, especially with my wife and my two little boys. So I'd come home already mentally drained, and I'd still have to find the energy to to be over here and teach my sons and have fun with my sons and things like that. So if I can do it with all of that going on, anyone else can do it. Honestly, anyone. When I first started, what I did was I found an educational platform, an educational program that was teaching how to do this online business. I literally did it an hour or two per day with the little time that I had. I sacrificed some sleep. Not gonna lie, I did it. So basically, sunrise, sunset working, spend time 3, 4 hours here, sometimes not even that much, maybe like 2 hours with my boys and my wife. It'd already be time to go to sleep. Everybody goes to sleep. It'd be 11, 12, and I would stay up an extra hour or two just to learn the foundation of this online business. Once you get the foundation done, you can honestly learn it depending on where you at. You can do it in 15 days. You can do it in 3 days, depending on which educational program you choose to go through. Um, if you want to go through the one that I feel is one of the best ones right now, the link is in the bio. You can learn it really in 3 days. The three-step system, 1 to 2 hours per day. You can be up and running within a week to be earning some money. So um, it's honestly really possible. I'm gonna be going over it right now, actually. So with that being said, let me go moving myself out of here. So this is a cool thing. Depending on whoever you decide to partner up with as an affiliate, uh, I'm just gonna be, I'm just gonna show a random little topic. Credit repair affiliate program. So there's so many. 21 best credit repairs. I'm not gonna go over how to choose which is a good one, which is a bad one. I'm just looking up examples. Lexington Law, cool. A lot of people have heard of Lexington Law. That's cool. So basically, if I were to refer someone to Lexington Law, I would get $65 per lead, $65. So depending on what that person did, all I'm doing is bringing them into Lexington Law. They're gonna get the repair fixed. Meanwhile, I'm sitting in the back getting paid $65 just because I was able to bring that person in there. The cool thing is, once you have the foundation set up, You have the foundation includes two tools: a funnel software and an email software. A funnel is to capture somebody's opt-in, to do an opt-in page and capture someone's email. I explained it in my past videos. If you haven't, go watch those. I even give copies of the exact funnel I used to win that award right there. That one. 50 over 50K with that one, with that funnel that I used for that one. The other one is an email autoresponder. This is what's cool. Once you have your email autoresponder set up, it's basically automatic emails that you send out to somebody that opted into your funnel. They're automatically placed, like I said, 1 to 2 hours a day. Take 1 hour or two to set up your funnel. If it doesn't work day one, do it again for day two. Take another hour or two to set up your email autoresponder. If it takes more than 1 day, do it in two. So at the most, that's like 4 days right there, right? 4 days to set those up. Maybe another 2-3 days just to understand what the heck is the whole thing, where you're going to drive your traffic to. So let's say you're going to go on TikTok, right? Let's say you're going to go on TikTok. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go. I'm going to go to my profile. sixtoselite.com. I can find anyone. I mean, really. It can be King Kong. Maybe you've heard of this guy. King Kong. Bam, right there. So King Kong, he already has his followers and this and that, but you can honestly start with zero. Once you have your affiliate program, let's say again it's Lexington Law, you have the funnel set up to capture someone's email when you're promoting it. You have the automated response set up to where if somebody enters their email, you're going to blast them with an automated response. Again, watch my past videos if you want to learn how to do those exact things. The link's in my bio for that 3-step system, and you can get it for $7. But all you got to do after that is just create videos. This is the easiest place. Well, maybe not the easiest. To me, it's one of the easiest, but it's one of the fastest places to get traffic and to get eyeballs, because it's free to set up TikTok. It's free to set up this little bio. You just put your little link to wherever you're promoting, and there you're creating content about credit repair. You don't even have to show your face. You can go over on Pinterest and find images. You can find maybe videos that are not subject to copyright laws and upload those. Or you can even talk about how, just speaking facts, how many people need to repair their credit. How can credit repair help you in so many days? You know what I'm saying? It's something simple. Don't overthink it. Like I said, once you have that foundation, I don't know how many times I have to say this. Once you have that, the funnel, you have the email autoresponder, you already have your product that you're promoting. The only task is just to bring in the eyeballs. That's it. That's why I say 1 to 2 hours a day. You can do this while you're working full time. I did it. When the first month that I actually stayed consistent and did this every single day, all I was doing throughout the day was creating content. 1 to 2 hours. I would go to school early before the sunrise. I'd get my phone out, boom, 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 start recording a video about whatever I was promoting. Walk into the school. It'd still be like 40, 50 minutes before the students would show up, and I'd start editing the video on TikTok, put some little hashtags, and blast it. Would it go viral? Maybe, sometimes. My key is not to go viral. I don't care about if I go viral. If I go viral, that's amazing. If I don't, my key is always to bring in engagement. Focus on an audience. Focus on the right audience. Credit repair. Maybe it's some college age people, college age students. Maybe it can be adults wanting to buy their home and they need to get their credit fixed. Find the right audience. That's what it's about. Make a video. Maybe take 10, 20 minutes to do one little video. Not even that much. You can do it in 5. Aim it towards the right audience. Get some views. Build some engagement. Build those relationships. People are going to be commenting, "Oh, dude, how do I do it?" Boom, follow them back and just get in on Messenger right there. Boom. 1 to 2 hours a day. That's what it is. This is one of the most less risky methods to making money online. You don't have to deal with inventory. I don't have to deal with customer service. Lexington Law takes care of all that. If somebody cancels their subscription, Lexington Law cancels all that. My only task is really just to bring them in there. That's it. And I'm just throwing Lexington Law just because I just looked up credit repair. It's pretty big. It could be anything. It could be anything. It could be Amazon. Amazon affiliate program. The only thing about Amazon is they all give you a lower percentage because they are physical products. Physical products usually earn you less percentage of commission just because they're physical. They have higher rates of return. That's why a lot of people don't like e-commerce. That's why they don't like drop shipping, because they're physical products and people sometimes they don't like it, they'll return it right away. That's why I like to do digital products. Digital, because they can be edited, they can be done for the long term. There are less percentages of returns and they give you a lot of higher commissions. So if you want to, if I don't know if you started your business yet or your journey yet, guys, if you haven't, this is the one I've been mentioning to you in the beginning, sixtoselite.com. You can check it out. Right here, you can find out exactly how to set up the system that I'm explaining to you, honestly, in 3 steps. Make money, generate passive income from home. I did it while I was at school teaching. I've done it while I've been on vacation. I got to quit my 9-to-5 job. I've helped people quit their 9-to-5 jobs too. And like I said, passive income. You do maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 videos a day. That can take you an hour or 2 throughout the whole day. And the rest of the system runs on autopilot with your email autoresponder, where your emails are sending out automatically. Again, I've explained all of that before in depth on my last videos, but this is a place to start if you haven't already. Get instant access, enter your information. Video for me. You can honestly sign up for as little as $7 and build it into a 6-figure business like so many have before. Very, very low risk, very, very, very high reward. It's up to you now. It's really up to you now. This is as simple as it can be. Simple as it can be. You can earn an extra 4 or 5 figures a month. The cool thing is this. If you decide to sign up, this is my partner, Jonathan. We kind of like co-teach on this. If you decide to sign up, like I said, you can do it for as little as $7. You get access to be an affiliate for this same program if you decide to do it, this 3-step system. So you get 50% of everything that's sold. So on the low end, you can make half of this, like $3.50. On the high end, you can make like $700, almost $800 if somebody were to upgrade to get into more advanced training. So guys, this is one of the, I'm just throwing nuggets right here, man. I'm throwing some game at you. So if this is somewhere you wanted to start, go right ahead. You can get access to learn this whole 3-step system, but you can also become an affiliate at the same time and make money while you're learning, while you're working your full-time job. It's possible. So guys, again, this is Sergio, Sixto Elite. If you like this video, please drop a like. If you haven't already, hit that little bell that's somewhere around there so you can get notified, because I'm dropping videos every other day. I'm dropping some gold nuggets. This is stuff that I do. These are things that I use. And please subscribe. Subscribe. Share this video if you found it very, very beneficial to you. I will be with you next time. If you have any requests, you want to know more about some certain aspect of this online business, please drop a comment. I can actually make a video about that next time. So I hope to hear from you. So have a good day. Take care and go do something beneficial. Work on you.